Once you're on the Camtasia program, you'll see the files, edit, modify, view, export, and help tabs. So what you want to do is to go ahead and select the edit tab, which is the second on the left. Click on edit tab, then scroll down to preferences, and the preferences will open with tabs such as program, timing, shortcuts, projects, and what you want to do is to click on the advanced. From there you see check for update, then deselect the enable automatic update check and deselect the prompt. When you do this, then you click OK. So at this point, your Camtasia will not auto update if you don't want any problems with getting the update to. If you don't want the update prompt anytime you launch your Camtasia, and if you don't want to, you like the version of the Camtasia you're using presently. So that solves it.